We called Guardian Roofing because they were the ones who'd come out and replaced our roof in 2014, come back about 4 years ago because we had a problem with a tree branch. And both times we were really impressed with the professionalism and just the courtesy of the people who came out. This time we called because there was a small area where we felt that there might be some leaking on our chimney, and also we knew that our roof needed to be cleaned. The first thing that impressed me was that Richard was the same person who came out 4 years ago. So I felt that this is a company that values their employees, and that's important to me. Richard is very courteous, very much knows what he's doing, and we would recommend Guardian to family and friends. In fact, we know a friend who has used Guardian for much the same reason as us, because she was having a problem with her chimney.